Lens here. So I have this Nokia TA1035. It's not turning on and it is not charging. As you can see, I currently have the charger in. So I was told that this phone was last at 60%. That's the battery level we're talking about, and it's not turning on. So what we're going to do in this video, we are going to take the phone apart and see if we can figure out what is the problem. So guys, we just took apart the back piece of the phone, right? The battery is covered here. So what we're going to do first, we're going to unplug the connection for the battery, and then we are going to plug in the charger. So let me just unplug the battery here and let us plug in the charger. So I just did that to show you that charge is getting into the phone. So you can actually see here that it says powered by Android, right? So the battery is unplugged and we just saw that the phone came on there. So the battery is unplugged here, right? So what we're going to do, this is actually a technique. I'm going to plug in the battery. I am going to plug back in the charger. It should show us the battery voltage, the battery charging there. That's what I meant. So yeah guys, this is actually how you can fix those issues where your phone is not turning on. If it's not responding, if it's not charging, as I showed you earlier. And these phones are the Nokia TA. This one is the 1035. And they have the 1025, the 1015 and so on. So for all of those models, this is how you can fix those issues, right? So I am turning the phone on. I just saved this phone, guys. As I showed you at the beginning of the video, the phone wasn't coming on. But what happened at times, you need to take the battery out, put it back in. And these phones are normally built-in battery, and at times they are always on. And when your phone is always on, this can create little overload in the motherboard components, and this can cause your phone just to freeze up, not charging, not responding whatsoever. So guys, I hope that this was helpful, and I know It's going to help a lot of you guys out there. So what I want you guys to do is to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also drop a comment down below. Let me know how helpful this was to you. My name is Lens. Do like, share, and subscribe.